In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the project schedule column on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Start by accessing your board. Log into your Monday.com account, navigate to the specific workspace you're working in, and open up the board that contains the project tasks you want to automate. This is a crucial first step because your automation will operate within this defined structure. Next, you want to ensure that you have a date column in place. If it's not already there, don't worry, it's easy to add one. Just click the plus icon at the end of your columns and select either a date or timeline column. This will become the trigger for your automation, so it's important to have it set up correctly. Now that your board is ready, we can move on to opening the Automation Center. Look for the Automate button, which is typically found in the top right header of your board. Once you click on it, you will see a variety of options. In the Automation Center, you'll notice a search bar. Type Date into this search bar to see all the relevant templates that Monday.com offers for automating your tasks. You will find various options tailored for different use cases. Here's where you select an automation template that fits your specific needs. For example, you could choose a template like When Date Arrives, Notify Someone if you have general deadlines to manage. Alternatively, if you want a more specific alert, you might select When Date Arrives and Status is Something, Notify Someone. This is particularly useful if you only want to alert a team member about tasks that aren't marked as finished, such as when the status isn't set to Done. Once you've selected your template, it's time to configure the trigger for your automation. Click on the word Date in the template to specify when you want the alert to happen. You can choose options like on the day, 1 day before, or 1 week before. These timeframes help you decide how far in advance you would like to send out notifications. Make sure to also select which date column the automation should track. This could be something straightforward like due date, or a column specific to your project needs, such as stock check. After setting your trigger, the next step is to define the action that will occur once the trigger conditions are met. Click on Notify to draft a customized message that will be sent out when the specified date arrives. This is a great opportunity to make sure your message is clear and informative. You'll then need to specify the recipients of your notification. Click on Someone to select the specific team member who should receive the alert, or you could decide to notify the task owner by selecting the Person column. Finally, to activate your automation, click on Create Automation or Add to Board. Doing this will turn the automation on, and you can create multiple automations on the same board to handle different scheduling needs effectively. And there you have it. Automating your project schedule column on Monday.com is not only possible, but it can also save you and your team countless hours of reminders and follow-ups. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!